Students, in this video we will see more questions on LCM and HCF. You can check my previous video in which I have explained you Euclid's division lemma as well as fundamental theorem of arithmetic, different questions on LCM and HCF, and different questions of how you will do prime factorization of given number, and some interesting facts about LCM and HCF. So now we are doing more questions on LCM and HCF. So what question number 1 says that the HCF of two number is 18 and their product is 12960. Find their LCM. So in solution, first what you will write? You will write its formula. Okay. So what will be its formula? LCM into HCF is equals to product of two numbers. Now put the values which your question is giving. So LCM 18 is HCF and product of two number is 12960. So here we are using product of two numbers formula. Instead of this, you can also write one number, first number into second number. This is another formula. Okay, but here your question is already saying product of two numbers, so directly put product of two number and 12960. So just by doing simple maths you will get LCM is equals to 720. So now put your final answer in block. Answer LCM is equals to 720 and enclosed in rectangle. Okay, now second question is find the least number when divided by 20, 25, 35 and 40 leaves remainder 14, 19, 29 and 34 respectively. Okay, so first we will see what our question says. Find the least number. Okay, this is your keyword. When divided by, so leaves remainder, so these are the remainder respectively, means that 20 has remainder 14, 25 has remainder 19, 35 has 29 and 40 has 34. Okay, now first we will see the pattern. So check the differences. So this is your step 1, check the differences. So here we are seeing that when 14 is subtracted from 20 we get 6, 19 is subtracted from 25 we get 6, 29 is subtracted from 35 we get 6, as well as 34 is subtracted from 40 we will get 6. So every time we are having the same digit 6. Okay, means through this we can just temporary formula we can make that number is equals to multiple of divisor minus 6. Okay, means required number, how we will get required number? So required number plus 6, this we will get. So required number plus 6 is divisible by 20, 25, 35 and 40. So in step 2 what we will do? First we will take LCM, because in your question this is your keyword least number. Okay, so here we are doing LCM of given numbers 20, 25, 35 and 40 with the help of prime factorization method. Okay, use in prime factorization method, use always a small number. Use always small numbers. Small numbers means, suppose if you are seeing that your number is divided by, or your number is prime factorized by 3, 2, 7, so use 2 first, 2, 3 and 7. This will be your order. Okay, so this is the prime factorization of given numbers. And now take highest power. So highest power LCM is equals to 2 raised to the power 3. Yes, here you are saying 5 raised to the power 2, here you are saying, and 7. Okay, yeah, if we will say 7 is here, yes, 7 is here instead of in the form of 7 raised to the power 0, because as we know anything raised to the power 0 is 1. So every number is here, every number is there, but if it is, if we are not able to see, it means it's raised to the power is 0. So LCM will be 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 2 into 7. This comes out to be 1400. So in step 3, what we will do? We have to find out required number. So how we will find required number? Just subtract 6 from the 1400. So we will get required number is 1394. Now we are having another question. Find the greatest. So keyword is greatest possible length which can be used to measure exactly the length 7 meter, comma 3 meter 85 centimeter and 12 meter 95 centimeter. So just see, these numbers are in the form of meter as well as centimeter. So in solution, first we will make it 1 unit, means all numbers should be in the same unit. Okay, so step 1 is convert into centimeter. So 7 meter is 700 centimeter, 3 meter 85 centimeter is 385, and 12 meter 95 centimeter is 1295 centimeter. As we know, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Okay, now step 2, what we will do? Just do prime factorization of above number. So 700 can be represented 7 into 100. 7 in 100 means it is 25 into 4. 25 can be represented 5 raised to the power 2. 4 can be represented as 2 raised to the power 2. Then 385, 5 into 77, 77, 7 into 11. Okay, further we are not able to do because they all are prime numbers. 1295, 5 into 259, 259, 7 into 37. Okay, just by practicing again and again you can do every question you can do. Now take HCF of all three numbers. So see why we are taking HCF, because your question is saying greatest. Okay, so catch keywords. So take HCF of all three numbers. So HCF means we are taking common. Okay, so this is 7 into 5 is the 35. So greatest possible length is 35 and closed in bracket. This is your final answer. Next question is, an electronic device makes a beep after every 60 seconds. Another device, so this beeps 60 seconds after. Another, catch keywords. Another device make a beep after every 62 seconds. They beep together at 10 a.m. At what time will they beep together at the earliest? Okay, means one device beep after 60 seconds, another 62 seconds, and both will beep at 10 a.m. So they want to know when they will beep together. Okay, at the earliest. So first take, this is the LCM type problem. So take LCM of 60 and 62. In next video I will try to explain you that how you will judge whether it is a LCM based problem or HCF based problem, because in some questions there will be difficulty to judge. So I will explain you, or I will give you trick to check check some words, or through those words you can easily judge whether it is a LCM type problem or HCF type problem, because you know how to do LCM and how to do HCF. Only problem is there, which thing you should do, whether LCM or HCF. Okay, so in first step, take LCM of 60 and 62 seconds. So 60 is equals to 2 raised to the power 2 into 3 into 5. It is a small number, you can easily do. 62 2 into 31. Here you are seeing that since we are doing prime factorization, so all the numbers which you are using for prime factorization, they should be prime numbers only. Okay, because any other number will not divide the given number. Okay, so cross check it also, that whether you had used only those numbers or not. Okay, so step 3 third means find LCM. So take highest powers. So just take highest power of two given numbers 60 and 62. So final answer will be 60 into 31 is 1860 seconds. LCM, final answer of LCM is 1860 seconds. Now step 4, what we will do? Convert into minutes. So second will change into minute, means we will get 31 minutes divided by 60. And what question demands that they will beep, both will earlier both will beep at 10 a.m. So after how much time they will beep together? So here we are having 31 minutes, so just add to given time. So after 10 a.m. they will beep together at 10:31 a.m. So they will beep together again at 10:31 a.m. Okay. Now next question is 6 bells commence rolling together and toll at interval of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 minutes respectively. In 30 hours, how many times do they toll together? The same type of question as we did. So find LCM of, in solution what you will do, find LCM of these given numbers with the help of prime factorization. These numbers are very small, so you can do easily 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12, and then take highest powers of these numbers, means you have to do LCM. So LCM will be 2 raised to the power 2 into 3 into 5 is 120 minutes. Now change this 120 minutes change into hours. So this will become 2 hours. So in next step what you will do? Total time given is 30 hours. So number of 2 hours interval in 30 hours will be 30 divided by 2 is 15 hours. Okay. And in next step what you will do? Include starting time also. So since in I forget to mention that they will first they will toll together at noon. Okay, so total time will be 15 plus 1 will be is equals to 16. So 16 times. Okay, now what is the golden rule? If question says, means how you will in last step what you will do, this I am explaining you. If question says commence together, start together, at 10 a.m. they beep together, so in this type you will include starting time. Okay, or if question says after how many times will they meet, or when will they meet next time, so don't include starting time. Okay, now formula for this, if starting together is mentioned, okay, so total meetings will be equals to total duration divided by LCM interval plus 1. Or if they asking next time only, then answer is equals to LCM only. This I will explain you in further videos also. Okay, so this is all about of this video. Hope this video will help you. Thank you.